Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Chilli chicken, one of the most popular Indo Chinese dishes, loved for its bold flavors, spicy kick, and delicious restaurant style taste. Hi, I'm Ladi, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for chili chicken. In this recipe, tender chicken pieces are marinated with ginger, garlic, and spices, coated lightly and fried until golden brown. Then tossed in a flavor-packed sauce with capsicum, onions, and green chillies. The result is a delicious balance of spicy, savoury, and slightly tangy flavors with a perfect restaurant-style texture. So let's get cooking and prepare this restaurant-style delicious chili chicken. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. To prepare ginger, garlic, and green chili paste, take 1 medium-sized green chili, cut it into smaller pieces. Half-inch piece of ginger, cut into smaller pieces. 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic, cut them into smaller pieces. In a grinder, add the garlic pieces, add the ginger pieces, add the green chili pieces, add 1 tablespoon of water. Grind coarsely. Ginger garlic green chili paste is ready. We have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken leg pieces. You can also take boneless breast pieces if you prefer. We have cut the chicken into medium-sized cubes. We will now add the ginger garlic green chili paste that we had made. Turn the chicken pieces around many times so that all the pieces get marinated properly. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 pinch of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Add 1 egg white. Apply the marination nicely to the chicken pieces. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Cover and keep it aside for at least half an hour. Marinated chicken is ready. Step 2. Preparing the sauce. In a mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning or aromat powder, or you can use 1 chicken stock cube. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of warm water. Mix everything nicely. To learn how to make Chinese 5-spice powder, refer to our recipe, the link for which is given in the description box, or just comment Chinese 5-spice powder and we will send you the link. The sauce is ready. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. For coating the chicken, take 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Take 1 medium-sized capsicum. Cut it into cubes the way I have shown. 3 medium-sized onions. Cut them into cubes. 3 spring onions. Cut and discard this edge. Cut the white part of the spring onions the way I have shown. Cut the green part of the spring onions fine. 6 medium-sized green chillies. First cut and discard the edges and then cut the chillies the way I have shown. Half-inch piece of ginger. Cut it very fine. 20 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. To make corn flour slurry, take 2 tablespoons of corn flour in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it nicely. Corn flour slurry is ready. Step 4. Preparing the chili chicken. Mix the marinated chicken well. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour for coating. Mix everything properly. Ensure all the chicken pieces are coated well with the corn flour. We added another 1 tablespoon of corn flour to coat the chicken properly. We like the chicken to have a nice coating as it helps to absorb the sauce while cooking. The chicken is coated and ready. Place a wok or a kadai on medium-high heat and add cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add the coated chicken pieces. Fry for around 5 to 6 minutes until they turn slightly golden brown. Do not overcrowd the pan or the temperature of the oil will fall. If the pan is small, fry the chicken pieces in batches. Turn them around so that all the sides are cooked evenly.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Remove them after 5 to 6 minutes or once they turn slightly golden brown. Place the chicken pieces on paper napkins to soak the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining chicken pieces if you are frying in multiple batches. Once you have finished frying all the chicken pieces, remove the extra oil and keep only 3 tablespoons of oil and place the pan on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic pieces. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add the ginger pieces. After a minute, add the onion cubes. Stir continuously to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the spring onion whites. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add the green chillies. Then add the capsicum cubes. After a minute, add the sauce. Mix everything properly. Check for taste and add whatever is required. Once the sauce gets a nice boil, add the fried chicken. Mix everything nicely and cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, mix the corn flour slurry so that it is liquidy and then add it slowly, stirring continuously until the sauce becomes thick and coats the chicken nicely. Once the desired consistency is achieved, taste and add whatever is required. Check for salt and add if required. Then add the finely cut spring onion greens. Mix everything nicely. Once done, put the heat off. Delicious restaurant-style chili chicken is ready. Serve the chili chicken hot with fried rice or noodles, or you can simply enjoy it on its own. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.